Father Thomas Hopko was the dean of St. Vladimir's Orthodox Theological Seminary, where he taught dogmatic theology. His podcasts are a wellspring of useful spiritual content, and you can hear him go into more detail on the Maxims via a link in the description below. He created this list of 55 spiritual maxims of the Christian life, which we present to you in illustrated and narrated form. Be always with Christ and trust God in everything. Pray as you can, not as you think you must. Have a keepable rule of prayer done by discipline. Say the Lord's Prayer several times each day. Repeat a short prayer when your mind is not occupied. Make some prostrations when you pray. Eat good foods in moderation and fast on fasting days. Practice silence, inner and outer. Sit in silence 20 to 30 minutes each day. Do acts of mercy in secret. Go to liturgical services regularly. Go to confession and Holy Communion regularly. Do not engage in intrusive thoughts and feelings. Reveal all your thoughts and feelings to a trusted person regularly. Read the scriptures regularly. Read good books a little at a time. Cultivate communion with the saints. Be an ordinary person, one of the human race. Be polite with everyone, first of all family members. Maintain cleanliness and order in your home. Have a healthy, wholesome hobby. Exercise regularly. Live a day, even part of a day, at a time. Be totally honest, first of all, with yourself. Be faithful in little things. Are you paying attention? We're halfway through. Moving on. Destroy the undead wherever you may find them. Okay, fine, that's a fake maxim. I'm just ensuring that you're paying attention. Moving on, seriously now. Do your work, then forget it. Do the most difficult and painful things first. Face reality. Be grateful. Be cheerful. Be simple, hidden, quiet, and small. Never bring attention to yourself. Listen when people talk to you. Be awake and attentive, fully present where you are. Think and talk about things no more than necessary. Speak simply, clearly, firmly, directly. Flee imagination, fantasy, analysis, figuring things out. Flee carnal, sexual things at their first appearance. Don't complain, grumble, murmur, or whine. Don't seek or expect pity or praise. Don't compare yourself with anyone. Don't judge anyone for anything. Don't try to convince anyone of anything. Don't defend or justify yourself. Be defined and bound by God, not people. Accept criticism gracefully and test it carefully. Give advice only when asked or when it is your duty. Do nothing for people that they can and should do for themselves. Have a daily schedule of activities, avoiding whim and caprice. Be merciful with yourself and others. Have no expectations except to be fiercely tempted to your last breath. Focus exclusively on God and light, and never on darkness, temptation, and sin. Endure the trial of yourself and your faults serenely, under God's mercy. When you fall, get up immediately and start over. Get help when you need it, without fear or shame. We would like to thank our channel members and patrons for helping us make these videos. Please check out how to become an Eastern Orthodox Christian in order to find out how to become an Eastern Orthodox Christian. Bye!